Beginning in 2025, two SSJ-100 aircraft will undergo flight tests. New aircraft equipped with Russian PD-8 engines will commence, as reported by Izvestia, citing the United Aircraft Corporation, UAC. Simultaneously, efforts are underway to launch mass production of the SSJ-100. Approximately 20 aircraft are at various stages of readiness. The domestically produced liner represents a virtually new aircraft set to replace the Franco-Russian models powered by SaM146 engines gradually. Experts warn that by 2026, Russian airlines will face critical fleet shortages due to increased demand and the phase-out of foreign aircraft, despite the expected production reaching up to 30 aircraft per year. Two domestically produced SSJ-100 new aircraft are being prepared for tests in 2025. Currently, passenger cabin configurations are being finalized and equipment is being tested. UAC representatives told Izvestia that they anticipate receiving the PD-8 engines in early 2025, following which they will transfer the aircraft to the flight test station at the Komsomolsk-on-Amur plant for flight test preparations. Once the engines are installed and verified, these fully domestically produced aircraft, equipped with Russian technology, will take to the skies. Until now, all SSJ-100 flights utilized Franco-Russian SaM146 engines. Even the first domestically updated SSJ-100 variant, which has been in use for equipment testing since June 2024, depended on foreign engines. The SaM146, developed by the Russian-French Powerjet joint venture, featured a hot section, including the gas generator, high-pressure compressor, combustion chamber, and turbine, manufactured by the French company Snecma. Sanctions led to maintenance challenges, prompting the decision to completely update the aircraft. According to UAC, the SSJ-100 new aircraft, equipped with PD-8 engines, is scheduled to undergo approximately 200 test flights within the next year. Replacing the SaM146 engines with PD-8 engines on existing aircraft is economically unfeasible, as it would require a similar certification process, which is costly and time-consuming. Thus, the SSJ-100 new was designed specifically for PD-8 engines and domestic systems. This represents a significant modernization, incorporating approximately 40 newly designed systems and components. UAC explained that they revamped the fuselage structure to accommodate different equipment dimensions and simplified the production, maintenance, and repair processes. The SSJ-100 new involves 46 key suppliers and a production network spanning 20,000 enterprises. For instance, UAC representatives revealed that Moscow produces avionics and auxiliary power units, St. Petersburg produces fuel systems and hydraulic components, and Rybinsk produces engines. The Interstate Aviation Committee recommended adjustments to the landing gear design based on years of operational experience. After testing, these improvements will be implemented on the SSJ-100 new, along with service bulletins for upgrading existing fleets. Kazan produces the landing gear components, Samara manufactures the landing gear itself, and Barnaul manufactures the tires. Parallel to testing, UAC is ramping up SSJ-100 new production. The Yakovlev Production Center in Komsomolsk-on-Amur is modernizing its assembly lines and introducing new, streamlined assembly processes. The flight test station has also brought online a new hangar that can accommodate 2 aircraft. Currently, about 20 aircraft are at different production stages. The Ministry of Industry and Trade anticipates delivering 6 PD-8 engines in 2025 and expects to deliver 44 engines, enough for 22 aircraft, in 2026. While the SSJ-100 new aircraft enters service, the older models with SaM146 engines will continue to operate. UAC is organizing maintenance capabilities to ensure continued airworthiness for SaM146 engines, including developing domestic replacements for previously imported parts like fuel filters and ignition plugs. Aviation expert and founder of Runavia, Andrei Patrikov, emphasized the importance of fuel filter localization, noting that past supply issues had forced airlines to clean and reuse old filters, risking malfunction. UAC reports that the number of SSJ-100 components serviced domestically has increased 5-fold in 3 years, now reaching 311 items. By 2026, the range of domestically produced parts will expand to 59. With passenger seat occupancy exceeding 90% and some flights reaching 96%, the demand for new aircraft is urgent. By 2026, the shortage of aircraft will heavily impact the market. Experts note that early deliveries of the SSJ-100 new are critical. Maintaining the airworthiness of foreign aircraft, such as Airbus and Boeing, is also vital. While current spare part supply channels persist despite geopolitical pressures, they may not be sustainable long-term. While it may be costly, preparing domestic industries to produce components for foreign aircraft is considered a strategic necessity. Adapting the Russian PD-14 engine and avionics for the Airbus A320 could cost half as much as developing a new aircraft, but might be faster under current conditions. Now, do you think SSJ-100 will be able to keep the schedules? Let us know in the comments. Please like and share our videos and subscribe to our channel. Please also take membership in our channel to encourage us.